an important document at home or school? How did it feel? Frustration and difficulty. Yes. Okay, thank you. Closing document can be frustrating, right? I imagine you work in an office and your boss asks you to find a contract, but you don't know where it is. What would happen?
It will be a mess. The boss won't be able to.
It's good. Thank you, Indah. Exactly. A disorganized office can slow down work and cause problems. That's why we need a good resource storage system. Today, we will learn about four main filing systems. That help keep documents organized. Can anyone guess what they are?
Alphabetical.
Numerical. Very Oh, good. Great quizzes. We will learn about the alphabetical, numerical, subject, and chronological filing system. It has its own purpose and used in different situations. Let's get excited. I say, need archive. You say?
Happy. Need archive. Happy world.
Okay, present. Okay.
Okay.
Need archive.
Happy world.
Oh, miscommunication. One more.
Happy world.
I say need archive. You say happy word. Okay.
Okay.
Need archive.
Happy world.
Thank you. People helpful. In any organization, proper document storage is crucial for efficiency, organization, and security. Different storage systems help categories and retrieve files effectively. Today, we will explore four main active systems, their advantage, disadvantage, and real-life application. Now let's explore the four main active storage systems in detail. The first is alphabetical storage system. The alphabetical storage system organizes documents by name in A to Z order, just like a dictionary. This is one of the most commonly used methods in office, hospital, and libraries due to simplicity. Definition: documents are arranged in order based on names such as people, companies, or place according to the alphabet. This is an advantage and disadvantage. Advantage is easy to understand and apply. Science to alphabetical order is universally recognized. Employees don't require special training. No need for complex numbering system. Unlike numerical system, users don't have to remember or reference an index. The last works well for names of people, companies, or locations. This system is ideal when documents are primarily referenced by name. Next is disadvantage. Can be confusing if names are misspelled. Even a small spelling error can make a document difficult to find. Takes longer when names are similar. If there are multiple people or organizations with similar names, locating the right file can be time consuming. The example uses a hospital store patient records in alphabetical order. For instance, the file for Andi Wijaya will be placed before Budi Santoso, following A to Z arrangement. The second is numerical storage system. The numerical storage system organizes files using unique numbers, making it efficient for large-scale document management. Definition: documents are assigned a unique numerical code formula and structured retrieval. Advantage and disadvantage: the find corresponding file numbers. Missing numbers can disrupt organization. If a document is misplaced or its number is skipped, the order becomes less reliable. The third is subject storage system. The subject storage system advantage and disadvantage the numerical storage system is more secure since number that the refill file contents confidential records can remain protected. Works well for large organization. The system is commonly used in government office, hospital, and business managing thousands of records. Main disorder in database, each number corresponds to a specific record, ensuring consistency in document tracking. The last is disadvantage requires an index to look up numbers. User must refer to a separate index to find corresponding file numbers. Missing numbers can disrupt organization if a document is misplaced or its number is skipped, the order becomes less reliable. The example used is in employee records management. If worker is assigned a unique ID, for instance, 1 is Andi Wijaya, 2 is Budi Santoso, and 3 is Cinta Fitria. This makes retrieval easy when searching by employee ID. Next. The third is subject storage system. The subject storage system classifies file by topic, making it useful for organizations that manage multiple categories of information. With definition, documents are arranged based on relevant subject or terms rather than by name or number. Advantage: easy to find related documents in one section. This system keeps all similar information in a single place. The second is ideal for business with different departments. A company can categorize files into finance, HR, marketing, and more. The last is reduce confusion. In shared file system, employees can quickly access relevant files under clearly labeled subject categories. With this disadvantage, requires careful subject naming. If categories are unclear, employees may struggle to find documents. Some files may belong to multiple subjects. A document might fit under two different categories, leading to confusion. With example used, a company can categorize file under subjects such as finance, invoice, budget reports, tax documents, human research with employee reports, payroll, attendance, marketing with campaign strategies, social media analytics, advertisements, and the last is operation with inventory management, logistics, and supply chain. This makes it easy to locate files related to a specific department or function. For the last slide, can I call you to present this slide? Okay, you can. Thank you. Okay, it's in the front. Okay. And the chronological is storage system. The chronological storage system arranges file by date, making it particularly useful for tracking historical record, financial transaction, and legal documents. And the next definition: documents are organized based on time, bearing on the year, to ensure a clear thread of events. Okay, the next is advantage and disadvantage. Disadvantage: ideal for time-sensitive records, work bill for contract, invoice, and legal case where they are crucial. And the help maintain a clear timeline of event. Organization can easily track document progression and over time. In the simplifies audit and reporting, financial record, tax document, and other transactions are easier to
for a file they name instead of date. This system is not efficient. Requires phrase labeling to prevent confusion. Document must be labeled correct to avoid misplacement. Okay, the next.
Can you see the example used in this filing system?
Okay, in the next example, use in bank store transaction record in chronological order. For example, a monthly report my list transaction as follows: January 2024 transaction logs from the start of the year. February 2024 monthly financial reports. March 2024 update contracts and invoice. This ensures that financial data is systematically recorded and rectifiable weekly.
Okay, thank you, Nika. Thank you to Nika to help me skip a class for your Okay. In conclusion, choosing the right access storage system. Its access storage system serves different purposes depending on an organization needs. If searching by name is important, use the alphabetical storage system. If secure and structured file is needed, use the numerical storage system. If categorization by topics is required, use the subject storage system. And the last, if documents must follow a timeline, use the chronological storage system. Understanding the system allows organization to optimize documents management, improve efficiency, and reduce search time. By selecting the appropriate storage system, business, hospital, and institution can ensure their records remain well organized and easily accessible. Now, let's play a quick game to test your understanding of filing system. I say a document name and you have to tell me which filing system it belongs to. But here the text after your answer. I'll ask one more question related to the system. Let's see how well you know them. Ready? Ready. First question is January financial report.
Chronological.
Okay, great. Now, why do we use a chronological system for financial reports?
Because financial reports are based on dates and need to be checked over time.
Okay, thank you, Putri. Give applause to your friends. That's right. We need to see financial data in order, usually monthly or yearly, to track trends and compare past reports. Round 2, next up. Customer data level 1, 2, 3. Numerical. Good. What is one advantage of using a numerical system?
It keeps record organized and is more secure because numbers don't reveal file content.
Exactly. Since numbers are unique. Yes?
Yeah.
They help large organizations manage thousands of files without confusion. Okay. Round 3. Here's another one. Acquire file name Aniwijaya.
Alphabetical.
Yes. But what happens if there are two files with the name Aniwijaya?
You can use traditional data technique, names or ID numbers to differentiate them.
Correct. That's a common challenge in alphabetical filing. It works well. But you sometimes need extra information to avoid mix-ups. The last round is documents label, marketing strategies, and sales report. Subject. Okay, awesome. Why is the project-based system useful for business?
Because it groups related files together, making it easier to find documents within the same department.
Well said. The system helps keep department-specific information in one place, so employees can quickly find what they need. Let's do a quick challenge. I'll describe a filing situation and you tell me the best system to use, okay? You understand?
Understand me.
The first is we need to track patient Let's keep a close look our fantastic job, everyone. Okay, thank you. You shown that you understand. Fantastic job, everyone. Give a close up. Thank you. You've shown that you understand how different feeling systems work and why they are useful. Alright, class. Now let's put our knowledge to the test with a hands-on activity. I'm giving each group a set of mixed documents. Your task is to sort them into the correct feeling system: alphabetical, numerical, subject, and chronological. Each group will get different types of document. After sorting them, you will explain why you organized them that way. Ready? Let's begin. I give you 10 minutes to this group activity. You can start practice now. Okay, please. Rachel, tell us how you sorted your document and why. So what? Please? We sort this files by last name because business often look up customer information this way. Great. Can you think of any challenges when using an alphabetical system? Yes. If names are spelled different or similar terms exist, it can be tricky. Yeah, please. We use a numerical system for employees for the customer are unique and assign function. Good choice. Why do large companies prefer numerical fillings? Because it keeps things organized and number can be linked to digital database. Okay, thank you, Ina. Could you read this? We sort this business files into categories like finance, HR, and marketing because company organize the document by department. Excellent. But what happens if a document fits into me? Okay, we call make a documents not also to be back in the good place. Okay, good job again. And last, simple. We sort this invoice by because financial records is to follow the line. Much more. Why is chronological feeling important for legal and financial document? It helps track transition, deadline, and internal organize. Thank you, guys. Good job. From the network, everyone. Now, you've seen how important formal feeling in the workplace. Different systems help different industries stay organized and efficient. Great discussion. Now you're ready to apply the skills in any work environment. Well done. Now that we've learned about different feeling systems, let's discuss which feeling system do you think is the most useful in an office and why? Think about the advantages and challenges we talked about. Feel free to share an example from the activity or real-time situation. I think the numerical system is the best because it is organized and secure. Large office use every ID numbers to keep track of records efficiently. Okay, good point. Numerical feelings help instructor database. But what's one challenges of this system? You need an index to find files, which can slow things down even if not well maintained. Okay, thank you. Another student. I prefer the alphabetical system because it's simple. If you know outlines, you can find their feel easy. Yes, alphabetical feeling is user friendly. But what happens if the client have very similar names? That's called cross confusion might be a gene and ID number are another entirely of health. Okay, like can you answer? I think the capitalism is the best for business because it's group everything together. If I work in marketing, I don't fill all my report in one section. Okay, that's a smart observation. Subject filling is great for departments, but can some documents belong to more than one category? Yes, and that can be tricky, maybe cross-referencing portal. And how can you answer this? Uh, For banks or hospitals, the chronological system is the most important. You need to track dates for transaction and medical records. Okay, great discussion. Thank you, class. As we can see, every system has its strengths depending on the type of work. Office often combine multiple systems to stay organized. For example, hospitals might use alphabetical for patient names and chronological for medical history. Before we finish, let's summarize. The first is alphabetical. It's simple and easy, but can be confusing with similarities. The second is numerical, organized and secure, but requires an index. The third is subject. Subject base is group related file, but some file may fit in multiple categories. And the last is chronological. First time sensitive records, but it's harder for quick lookups. Excellent insight, everyone. Organization is key in any workplace, and now you know how to choose the best filling system well done. Alright, before we finish, let's summarize what we learned today. We explored the format as a student system. Can you help me, student?
Yes.
Yes.
Alphabetical is organized by name in A to Z order.
Good job.
With depends this. Okay. In the numerical, use unique number from 5.
Okay, good job, Vivian. Next slide.
Subject. Group document by category.
Awesome. I really like good job. The last is Hina.
Chronological. Arrange file by date.
Okay, great, good job. Each system is useful for different types of documents depending on the needs of a business or organization. Now, let's reflect on this. What would happen if an office didn't have a proper artistic system?
It will be kept.
Okay, good. Now,
People will be able to find important document.
okay, good. Last is okay, you can
And the mistakes will happen, like losing client record or missing deadlines.
okay, exactly. Okay. A well-organized archive helps business save time, reduce errors, and improve efficiency. Without it, everything would be disorganized and important information could be lost. Before we wrap up, here's a simple assignment for you. Are you ready?
Ready, Miss?
Ready? Ready.
Randy.
Observe filling system at your school library, in your home, or anywhere you visit. Take note of how books, papers, or files are organized. Tomorrow we'll discuss what you found. Think about which system is being used and why. See you then. You understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, class. You great work today, everyone. You know, understand why proper feeling is essential. Why proper feeling is essential. Keep your notes organized and see you in the next class.
See you. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.